Hello everyone, I'm Miguel and in this video I'll be reviewing my enhanced clock simulation project. The goals of this video are to evaluate the current codebase, what works, what doesn't, and where it can improve, and to explain the technical roadmap for key enhancements like automatic time progression and time zone support using an SQLite database. This walkthrough is meant to document my development thinking and share my vision for taking the project from a basic input-based clock to a dynamic real-time utility. Right now, the clock takes in a manual time entry from the user and displays both 12-hour and 24-hour format. But there are a few technical limitations. Time progression is completely static. It means that you need to enter every update manually. AM and PM input handling is loose. It assumes the user enters things correctly and doesn't validate format, which can become an issue. And all the logic is in one or two large functions, making it hard to scale or test. And the time zone awareness is missing. It means that the app always runs in local time with no offset or global context. It's functional, but not interactive or extensive the way a modern clock should be. So here's how I plan to solve those pain points and build out the clock with smarter behavior. The first point is automatic time progression, which I'm implementing a continuous loop that ticks the clock forward every second. It'll use either a time or a real-time thread to update time variables and re-render display output. The time zone support via SQLite will be built, and this database will be called timezones.db, which stores entries like zone-name, UTC-offsets, and DST-offsets. The user will select a region and the clock will apply that offset dynamically to the base time. The AM/PM input parsing will be another feature. I am updating input handling to accept and validate 12-hour format with AM or PM suffixes. Internally, everything will use 24-hour time for logic consistency. And I'm refactoring everything into modules. So clock-core.cpp will manage time updates, input parser.cpp will handle validation and formatting, timezone-db.cpp will connect and query SQLite, and display.cpp will format and print outputs. You see there's only the source.cpp file and the resource.h file, and the project module 3.cpp. The separation makes the project easier to grow, test, and maintain. So to keep things clear, I am validating all time inputs to reject bad values like 24 hours, 90 minutes, and 99 seconds. I will be using try and catch blocks and SQL parameterization to prevent query crashes in the database. I'm making sure time-related variables are thread safe if I use asynchronous updates. I also plan to add a debug option that can help trace user input, time zone selection, and progression behavior during development. So that's it for this review. I'm excited about this project is evolving from a basic module assignment to a real-time regional work clock with database support. My next steps might be a GUI output, maybe a time zone search by name, or maybe a persistent user preferences. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next dev update. Okay.